Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here at the bottom we have a button what called Forget the Device, and before I tap on it, because we need to tap on it to unpair this speaker, I will tell you that if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker but leave it at the device list, not totally remove it from the phone, you need to click at the disconnect. Now let's remove it, so forget the device and then forget device. After that, you can turn off your speaker by press and hold at the power button at the top of your speaker right here on the left side. We have it, press and hold, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!